Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. Next, I'm going to dive into some keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to close some of these again and come back here. And I'm just going to go up into some white space up here. I showed you how we could copy and paste. So what I did on that, let me go back to here. I did a right click and I applied to pages and I told it what pages to go to. If I just were to copy that and go to another sheet that's got a different title block, but it'll show what we're doing here. If I could do a Control-Shift-V, it will paste it in place exactly where I took it from on the other page. Okay, so Control-V will put it wherever your cursor is. Control-Shift-V will drop it where it was when you took it, when you copied it. So sometimes that's very useful. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes with these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.